Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ustadh, sometimes we pray istikharah but nothing becomes clear about the issue we are asking Allah for. What does this mean? Should we leave the matter there? Istikharah, what it's going to do for you, inshallah ta'ala, is that whatever you asked Allah tabarak wa ta'ala for, if it's good for you, Allah inshallah ta'ala will bring that thing to you. That's what istikharah is. Istikharah is, يعني, if Allah tabarak wa ta'ala, you've asked Allah, Ya Rabb, I want this thing, if it's good for me, bring it my way. You just go out of your way, try to look for the thing. But if your dua, your istikharah is accepted, Allah will protect that thing from you. However method you take, however means you take, it will always be protected from you. You can try whatever you want, it just won't happen. And that's a sign, inshallah ta'ala, that it wasn't meant to be for you and that the khair wouldn't come to you from it.